My Garden presents Part 2 of Patio Garden's Small Space Oasis. Patio Garden Elements. Staying in scale with the available space is critical to the success of the patio garden. To accomplish this theme, the design should include elements such as a wall fountain, statues, a sculpture, bird baths, and decorative urns with running water. You might consider a fire pit with seating if you have adequate space. Patio deck material should complement the inside flooring of your home. Surfaces may include acid wash concrete with saw cuts, travertine tile laid on sand, random stone, or outdoor wood composite material. A raised deck works nicely depending upon the elevations of the backyard. An outdoor kitchen in scale with the yard is also a functional landscape element. Include walkways that disappear behind foundation shrubs, giving the illusion of depth. Add seating and benches that promote elevation change, complemented by decorative containers of various sizes placed in groupings. By staying in scale, your garden will create a relaxing small space oasis.